Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook purslane weed, transforming this common plant into a delightful dish. Often mistaken for just a weed, purslane is actually a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with beneficial omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins. Its distinct succulent texture, combined with a fresh, slightly lemony taste, makes it a truly unique ingredient. You will discover how easily this superfood can elevate your next meal. Identifying purslane is simple. Look for its distinctive thick, paddle-shaped leaves and reddish, succulent stems. When harvesting, use sharp scissors or a knife to cut the stems, leaving about 1 inch of growth above the soil for quick regrowth. Next, preparation is key. Soak your freshly gathered purslane in a large bowl of cold water for about 5 minutes. Gently swirl it around, then rinse it thoroughly under running water at least 2 or 3 times to ensure it is perfectly clean. Purslane is incredibly versatile, tasting wonderful both raw and cooked. For a fresh approach, simply chop it and add it to your favorite salad. Its bright, lemony notes and satisfying crunch are truly delightful. If you prefer it cooked, a quick sauté works beautifully. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet, then cook the purslane for about 2 minutes, just until it slightly wilts. Alternatively, steaming for 3 to 5 minutes yields a tender, mild green perfect as a vibrant side dish. Let us try a simple sautéed purslane recipe, an easy way to enjoy its unique flavor. You will need 1 generous bunch of cleaned purslane, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and about 1 tablespoon of good olive oil. Begin by heating the oil in a skillet over medium heat, then add the minced garlic, cooking it for approximately 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, add the prepared purslane, stirring constantly, and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. Finish with a sprinkle of salt and pepper, creating a quick, nutritious, and flavorful dish. Beyond a simple sauté, purslane shines in many other dishes. Consider adding it to scrambled eggs or omelets for a fresh morning meal, or stir it into your favorite stir-fry during the last few minutes of cooking. You can even blend it into a refreshing green smoothie, boosting its nutritional content. Don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and flavor pairings, perhaps with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a hint of chili. Enjoy discovering all the delightful ways to include this amazing plant in your diet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.